What's up, guys? So today I'm going to another video, and today I'm happily able to say I was finally able to cop something good at the Lego store. It's been a couple of days since I've been there. Randomly walked in there, and then they had these bad boys, these Ironman heads 76165. They've been back ordered from the Lego store for the past few days. I ended up seeing them in the store. I asked the lady, hey, how many do you guys have? They said they only had 4. They already sold 1. So I went to go buy 1, and then I left the store. I was browsing around other places doing my normal Lego runs. Then I was like, yo, I need to get the other 2 just in case. So what I'm gonna end up doing is making a video on building, I'm gonna go ahead and make a video of building 1. I'm gonna keep the other one for just to keep it in the box, and the other one I'm not sure what I'm gonna end up doing with yet. Maybe I can use it as a way to trade for another set that I want. But I'm lucky enough that I was able to cop at least 1 of them, let alone getting 3, which is absolutely crazy, especially how they're getting sold out. And then also they had a promotion because I did go twice, so when you spent over 75, you ended up getting this 12-in-1 little box kit. I ended up getting 2 of these just because I went there twice. And well, the first time I went, I got this, and then I got this little hot rod, and then the second time they only gave me just 1 of them, which is really not too bad. I'm really not upset about it. I mean, this is just a nice little piece. Basically, I don't really need it, but this vehicle actually is pretty nice. This would definitely go fairly well with my McLaren or just my little vehicle builds that I'm going to end up making in the near future. So this is actually really not too bad. This one, I'm assuming it comes with 2 minifigures. I think it comes with the girl and then the guy. So yeah, it's actually not that bad. And this one, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it. It was free. So maybe I might build it and just keep it as a display or keep it in the box. Not really sure yet what I'm going to do with that. There's just extra Lego sets that I end up having, so it's not too bad. And I was able to get the Ironman Hulkbuster versus AIM. And this set is actually really nice. I do have the previous Hulkbuster, the one with Bruce Banner, and I do have the War Machine one, and then I have that cheap $10 one, which I still haven't put together. So it'll actually be pretty nice to do the comparison of all the Hulkbuster suits I do have currently. This one is only 456 pieces, and I think this one came out a few days ago. So when I called the Lego store a few days ago, they said they usually get their new Lego sets on Fridays. So I called them this Friday and I was like, hey, do you guys have it? They said they did, so I figured I'll go in there and get it. Now the box art is actually really not too bad. So this set a lot of people don't like because they don't like the way the head's shaped for the Hulkbuster. Me, I don't think it's not too bad. I mean, for the price point, I believe it was $39.99, and you get 4 minifigures plus you get the Hulkbuster, so it's not too bad. So you do get 2 of the AIM agents. You get the rescue Iron Man suit, then you have just the classic Iron Man, which is not too bad, I don't think. And then the back is actually really nice. So this little attachment does have 2 stud shooters, so it's not too bad. The overall design of the actual Hulkbuster is really not too bad, I don't think. It has some articulation. I've seen some other videos and people saying that the knees don't even move, just the waist and the arms, which is kind of a bummer, but I still think I had to get this just because I had the previous Hulkbuster suit. So I was like, yeah, I gotta get this one. So I'm gonna be doing a video of me building this one. I'm not gonna do it today, but this is just my pickup that I end up getting for today. And then here is actually what everybody's been wanting to see. I'm gonna end up doing a video of me putting this together as well. I'll probably do separate videos, me just building only this one and then doing the Hulkbuster, just because I don't want to end up boring people doing all that in one video. So for this one, all you have, so from what I've seen before, this one's aimed more at adults, so the artwork is a little bit different than usually how they normally do it. So this, you just have a classic black background, and then you have the actual helmet right here, which is not too bad. So you can tell from the age point is 18 plus. So it's actually pretty nice that Legos go ahead and doing that, knowing that people are going to use this as a display piece. This one only is 480 pieces, which is not too bad, at least not for the price point. I mean, it is $59.99, so it ends up being a little over $60 with tax. But you know, overall it's really not too bad. I mean, it's basically the same price as the Star Wars head that came out. And right here you have that classic OG Iron Man logo and the Marvel Studios as well. In the back you have the original Iron Man from the first movie. Then right here you have the basically the measurements, which is 19 centimeters, and then it's 7.48 inches, which is not too bad. Then you have another Iron Man image right here from the first movie. I mean, I have seen a lot of people have a little bit of complaints about this just because of the way it looks. Considering this helmet is made of Lego, there's really not too much they could do, but I still think they executed this fairly well. I do like it, and I really do think it's a nice piece. You know, they did sell out, so I guess there is a high demand in them. What I would like to see is something else go with this, maybe like a War Machine helmet, or maybe a Mark 1 Iron Man head, or a Mark 2 with the silvers. Actually, that would be actually pretty nice to have, kind of like the wall of armor, but with just the head pieces. So, you know, that would be kind of nice, I think. I haven't built it yet, so I don't really have any pros and cons of the design, because, you know, I haven't seen it. I just seen it in this picture. But overall, yeah, it's not too bad. I really can't wait to actually build this one. If you guys do want to see me build it, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. But I'll probably be building this anyways. But yeah, this is basically my Lego haul that I ended up getting today. But if you guys want to keep watching, you guys are going to see me build this. Don't forget to put the post notifications on if you know, to not miss anything. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to comment anything you guys, you know, want. Give me new ideas, new Lego sets to build, and I'll see you guys in the next video.